guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm very excited because I got my first beauty box in the mail. It was supposed to come, I think they were supposed to send it out on the 15th, but I think there was a little bit of setback with it being their first box. The difference with this one is that it's completely cruelty free. Now, I already subscribe to BoxyCharm, so I think my standards are a little bit high when it comes to these type of boxes. But I must say, the packaging is beautiful. You get like the sleeve and everything is just the black. Okay, well, my black box is a little bit torn, but you can use these boxes again, which is so great. They're trying to recycle. So yeah. Basically, the beauty box subscription, as they are online, is a cruelty-free subscription that you can now sign up to. It's a South African thing. As I said, this was their first one, and I went online. I signed up for the first one. You can choose if you want more makeup, half makeup, skincare, only skincare. Basically, you can choose. There's like four options, I think. And also you put on your profile what type of skin type you are, what you're interested in, and then they curate the box for you. Now this every month is, I think, 350 Rand. I'm not sure if there's more options. So yeah, the only thing with this box is that it's not like BoxyCharm. You don't know what you're getting before you basically sign up. I don't know if they're going to change that in the future. The only thing this month, that we knew we were getting was the little Esse extras that came on board. Otherwise, we had no idea of what was going to be in the box. So I think that's a little bit tricky for the average consumer. 350 Rand on a makeup box, skincare a month is a little bit much. They could, you could just go to the shops and try something, or try 3 products of your choice instead of getting a box. So that makes it a little bit tricky. I don't know if, I took the box this month to try it out. I don't know if the products in the box are, the same brands that are going to come on board. Maybe I try it out for 2 months or 3 months just to see what's in it, but they really need to attract my attention after, I've got BoxyCharm. The products in there are amazing all the time. So the competition for this type of thing is very high. So yeah, it really is your choice. I think I'm going to try it out for 2-3 months and just see how it goes, and then I'll take it from there. Depends on what type of products you want. So I'll stop blabbering. On the back of the packaging, it does say, "Be your own kind of beautiful." This box is a little black box, part of our mix and match collection. We are so excited to share this beauty box experience with you. We read your request, considered your features, and curated a little black box just for you. This little black box includes a number of mix and match items from different cruelty-free brands that we think you would love to try. One of our favorites this month was the Catrice eyeshadow palette. We strive to make each and every box better than the last. So if you have any feedback, we'd love to hear from you. Which I think that is great. They want feedback. They want to know how they can better themselves. So yeah, sorry if I'm waving myself. This heat, guys, it's killing me. Like my makeup is like melting off my face. Okay, so let's get into the box. So this is the little black box that you get, which I think is beautiful. I'm definitely going to reuse that. And then you get a little card on the top. Beautiful black tissue paper. So I do think a lot of effort has gone into the presentation and the putting together of the products, which I really like. It's beautiful. It's almost like a luxury kind of, I get this every month and it's got some nice products. Yeah, so it says here on the little card, how cute is that? It actually has your name on it. It says, "Nena, the animals and the team at Beauty Box, thank you for subscribing. Little by little, a little becomes a lot. We hope you enjoy the products we have selected for you for your very first box." So you open a beautiful tissue paper, and then you have your products. So it's really, really beautifully put together. I love the presentation. I love the packaging. I love everything about this. I think they really put a lot of thought into it. Okay, so the first product is the Allila. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. I haven't heard from this or of this brand yet. Allila barely there. I think this is a blush. I'm not too sure. I wish they would have just been, it doesn't have to be very expensive. Just a little piece of paper, you know, basic, not even this fancy. Just to say what every product is, how much it retails for, because I have no idea. I think I'm just going to go onto the website quickly and just Google the products, because I can't really try them on a professional. Just to give a little bit of a history behind the products, if I have to say it like that. Okay, so Allila, it seems like it is, I've never heard of this brand, but okay, let's see what they are about. There's quite a lot on this website though. I don't know if it's a South African thing. They don't give really any information on the brand. Let me quickly see. Okay, so on Google it does say, buy Allila professional makeup online in Esse. Pro-grade makeup, brushes and accessories, lovingly made in South Africa. Okay, so that is, it is a proudly South African product then. And let me quickly search for the barely there. Okay. So the blush on singles, that's the only blush I can find. The packaging online looks completely different, but let me just have a look. Okay, so if you guys can see, the packaging is there. The packaging looks different. Maybe this is old packaging. The product retails for 161 Rand. It says our professional range of blushes are sure to impress with color range and finish. Okay, use the Allila blush sparingly as the high pigment ensures that a little goes a long way. Allila brushes can also be used as an eyeshadow because of their fantastic pigments. Okay, so this is a very dark shade. I don't know if it's going to go great on my pale skin. Oh yeah, it is actually very beautiful. Let me, if I dig into it, it's very powdery. If you guys can have a look at my, but let's swatch it and see. So it is pigmented, but it does blend away. So I think that could be a beautiful blush. So yeah, that's already 161 Rand. Then I have got this Back to Nature toner, apple cider and tea tree oil. So that is that product. This is from Back to Nature, and it says natural, vegan, cruelty-free, no parabens, organic, handmade in Cape Town. Ingredients is apple cider vinegar, tea tree spring water and tea tree essential oil. Let's smell this baby. Oh, it does smell like vinegar, but it almost has like a minty kind of smell. So I'm excited to try this. Let's see how much this retails for. Also, I've never heard of this brand. I'm sorry. It's not that I'm, you know, not very clued up. It's just, that's why I'm doing the whole subscription, just to learn a little bit more about South African brands. Okay, so the toner, the apple cider tea tree, retails for 95 Rand. It says ingredients: raw apple cider vinegar, Newland spring water, tea tree, hydrosol and tea tree essential oils, with a dash of love and gratitude towards nature, sustainably sourced. So yeah, that's already putting this box over 200. So let's continue. This is the Catrice Cosmetics, the Modern Matte Collection eyeshadow palette. So that's quite beautiful. It's got like almost like your pinky, cold, more cool toned shades. So this is perfect for like a everyday, day-to-day palette. This I think retails for about 100 Rand. So that's already over 300 Rand. And then we also got an OFRA lipstick. I love OFRA's products, so I'm very excited for the lipstick. I got the shade, let me see, Red My Lips. So this is a gorgeous red lipstick. Perfect for the holidays. I'll try this out and put something on my Instagram with that. So let's quickly see what that retails for. OFRA Red My Lips. Okay, so lipstick Red My Lips is $13. So in South Africa it probably is much more. I don't know if they stock this. I've only seen liquid lipsticks on their website. So I've not seen, or I've seen liquid lipsticks. I've not seen lipsticks on their website. So let's have a look quickly. Maybe they are starting to stock it. I don't know. Okay, so there is lip gloss sticks. Or there's a lip gloss stick for 250 Rand. So this is probably what that retails for. 250. Otherwise there's only the glosses on the website. I don't know if they're going to start stocking. There's a pure vitamin E lipstick, but there's no other lipsticks on the site. So I would guess that this goes for about 250 Rand. So that puts the box like over 500 Rand already. Then we also got these two Esse products, which I think is very cute. It's like an extra because we've already got 1, 2, 3, 4 full-size products in the box. So this is just an extra. You get 4 to 5 full-size products. This is a cocoa exfoliator. It says E5. So I want to smell this. I love anything cocoa. Oh, it's closed. Okay, well, I'll try it out and then I'll let you guys know. And the other one is a clay mask, which I love masks. So these are obviously travel sizes, which is great if you go away. I think if I go away over the weekend, I'm going away, I will try these and I will keep you guys up to date. So yeah, I really like this month's box. The thing is with these types of boxes, even though you think, oh, I don't need this, it's so nice to get like random products and learn about them, you know, because these products aren't things that I would have bought at all. I wouldn't even have known about half of them. I mean, I know about Catrice, and I didn't know OFRA in South Africa sells lipsticks, so I'm very eager to find out if this is the start of maybe them selling lipsticks. Or yeah, I'm excited to try Esse. They are obviously a skincare brand. I will link all the companies' websites below, or all these products' websites below, and then you can have a look at what they're about. I think maybe I'm gonna have a look at the Esse products and just see price-wise and stuff and try some of their products. That would be exciting. I've not heard about Back to Nature. It seems very affordable. It's organic, it's cruelty-free vegan, so I'm very excited to try more of their products as well. So I'm definitely giving them a look. The blush I'm going to try. The eyeshadow palette, because, you know, for the normal person, this would be like, oh, it's a normal, you know, everyday palette. So that's great. I am very spoiled for palettes because I have a lot. So I think I'm going to put this in a giveaway at some point for someone else to enjoy. But yeah, I think this month's box very exciting. I really like it. And yeah, if you guys want to try it, I'll put the link below to just go and have a look at the page. I know it's still very new, so there's not much info on it. But I mean, as they go, you can ask questions. They always reply on their social media. So go have a look at it. And yeah, that concludes today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, if there are any other subscription boxes that you guys know of or think that's great and you want a review on, let me know and I'll do that for you. So thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.